Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is up to date and your current lock screen backed up. This prevents loss. Next, gather high-resolution images and any transparent PNGs or live wallpapers you plan to use, because quality matters for a sharp look. Once that's ready, install a reputable wallpaper manager and a lock screen customizer app. These tools let you layer widgets and control layout. Make sure permissions are granted, so the customizations apply correctly and won't revert unexpectedly. Now you design the scene. Set a strong base image, then add a semi-transparent overlay to keep icons and text legible. You should position the clock and widgets with intent, grouping similar items and leaving negative space so nothing feels crowded. Once placed, apply subtle effects like a small blur, a light vignette, or a low-intensity color filter to unify tones. These adjustments create depth without overpowering the background. Make incremental changes, preview on the actual lock screen, and tweak spacing until it finalizes by saving your layout as a preset and testing the lock screen in different conditions: portrait and landscape, dark mode, and low battery states so nothing shifts or disappears. Once satisfied, export a backup profile and note which apps need persistent permissions. If something goes wrong, like widgets disappearing or wrong scaling, clear the customizer app cache, re-grant lock screen and overlay permissions, then restart the device. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, revert to your backup and retry steps in smaller increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.